Hello and welcome to this screencast about Phodia. In this screencast I will show you some of the features of Phodia. If you go to www.phodia.net you will see this openings page of Phodia. On the left you have two tabs. With the login tab you can log in, fill in your username and your password. If you've forgotten your password, click the request button, and if you fill in here your username and your email address, you will get a new password within seconds. Just fill in here your password, click on login, clicking this away, and now you're logged in. You will see your name goes here. Well, you will see some new tabs here on the side. With the mail tab you can mail other members within the system about something you want them to know. This is covered in a later screencast. Also you have the forum tab. It slides open with a new pane. If there is a new thread or message, you will see that the subject is made light green, so it's always on top. Also, when it is closed, you will see the forum tab is blinking. Not at the moment, but if there is a new thread. Also, if you have a new mail, it will blink. Upload tab, that will slide open the upload pane. You have to, if you want to upload a picture, you have to provide a title in at least 2 categories, and of course you have to choose your picture, and you can also make a description about your picture. And it's also nice if you provide the fellow members with some information on how you made it or how you edited it or something, which is important. Also, you can provide the fellow members with some information about your camera setting. It's the shutter speed, the aperture, the ISO, the focal length, the filter and the lens. Well, after choosing 2 categories and a photo title, the upload button comes available and you can upload your picture. Keep in mind that the maximum size of a picture may not exceed 1 megabyte. And the longest side may not be longer than 2500 pixels, but you are advised to upload with the longest side of 1000 pixels. The help section, herein are some screencasts about how Phodia is functioning. And you have the settings page, and on the settings page you can put in some settings for you. Important can be the language. If your .NET is a English site, English spoken site, so sometimes it's easy if you can have a translation. If there isn't a translation available, you will see a green dot with a T in it. If you click on it, a pop-up will appear with the translation of that text. You can choose here the language in which you want that translation to appear. If you have a new password asked by the email, then it's always a password which is difficult to remember, so you can set up a new password here. You have to retype it and then your new to click the submit button, and you have a new password. Clicking on the next button you will see some information about paid membership, and if you click next you will get a new pane in which you can provide Phodia and fellow members with some information about yourself. You can set a country in which you live. You can choose a time zone. The time zone can be important, so the time on which a command is made or an upload is made is automatically being adjusted to the time you have chosen here. And you can choose a daylight saving. It will adjust the time by plus or minus an hour. Place of residence, you can upload a picture which will be shown on your photo page. And this is the last pane, and here you can put in some information about yourself. This will also be shown on your photo page, and you have also a box in which you can place a text, which will be shown on your guest book. That's also covered in another screencast. On top you have the most important buttons on Phodia. If you click on the picture button, you will see the latest additions on Phodia. The last upload is this one. If there's a new upload, it will be placed in front of this, and everything shifts one place. Everything on this page is covered in a later screencast. If you go to my podium, you will see all your pictures, only your pictures. You will also see those pictures which are uploaded and made private. You can upload private pictures. They will not be shown to other members, and you can make them in a later stadium. You can make them public. If you click on reviews, you will see the latest reviews on your pictures on the left. You can also click on a thumbnail, and you will transport it to your picture, and you can read the comments again. If you click on overview again, you go back to the reviews. On the right you will see those comments that are made on comments you have made. So basically it's the discussion you can follow here. You can also click on it, and then you will see that picture, and well, you see here the reviews on the review. Okay, then you have the theme. A paid member can be uploading pictures for the theme, a maximum of 2 pictures a month. Every month there is a new theme, and all the members can vote on the picture, and it always has 3 categories: fits the theme, overall, and originality. Well, if you click such a picture, you will see here you can vote on it. Then you have the photo edit button, which is not functioning at the moment. We're not sure if it will come back in the future. And then you have the showcase. The showcase is available at the moment, but you cannot propose new pictures. We're discussing how we want to deal with the showcase in the future. You will hear about it in the forum when there will be news about it. Then you have on top, you have some links. You have a link which says tell a friend. If you click on it, you get a pop-up. Below you can see a HTML email which you can send to a friend or someone you know and think is interested in photography and could become a member of Phodia. There is some information about Phodia. Well, look for it if you have time. You have the link newsletter. If you click on it, you will see the latest newsletter. Well, and you have the site rules. It's basic rules about how we want to like to behave. Basic rules about how you should behave on a site like Phodia. You have the users link. Here you will get an overview of all the members of Phodia. You can browse through them. Also you can search for a certain member. Well, and here it will appear. If you click on it, you go to the person of the member's photo page. You click the X, it will disappear. You have online users. If you click on it, you will see the online users at the moment. If you move out of the link, the pop-up will disappear. And this is the logout button. If you click on it, you will be logged out. Okay, that's it for the moment. I hope you enjoyed this screencast, and there will be others in the future with some more information about Phodia. Thank you.